Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro M404n printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If you find system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download the printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP LaserJet Pro M404n printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from support.hp.com, official website of the HP printer. Here we find our printer name. Open the first link. Official website is open. Here we find HP LaserJet Pro M404n, our printer name. After that, here we find the operating system. If operating system is not right or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Click on the Windows and in version, select Windows 10 64-bit if your operating system is 64-bit. If 32, then go to the Windows 10 32-bit. My operating system is 64, so I click on 64-bit. After that, click on this update button and it's refresh your page or this box. Okay. After that, scroll down and here we find two options are IMP for us. First, if it's not show installation software and full basic drivers support print and scan functionality, then expand it. Here we find two options are IMP for us. First, you can go to this recommended software or go to the basics. Okay, go to the anywhere. I go with the recommended. I click on the recommended and click on the download. And after clicking on the download, it's redirect you to the another web page, another HP website web page. And after that, at the top, our download is started. And it's take few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed of your internet. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file. Basically, this setup file is a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy and simple. Go to this zip file, right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the extract files, click on the OK. It's extract our files and create a new folder on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. So be patient and wait for unzip process. After unzip, we are going to our next step. Now, newly extracted folder or unzip folder is here. Double click on it and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install these drivers. That is also very easy and simple. Go to the start and type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up in a few seconds. New option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. The printer that I want isn't listed. Close it. In a add a printer, we find many options. Go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. In an existing port, we find many options. Click at here. And if you find .4_001 HP printer device, HP, if you find any HP port, then select that HP port. If you not find any HP port, then next option is USB. Select any USB that you want. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB that you want or you find. Click on the USB, click on the next. Here we find Havadix, click on Havadix. Go to the browse, go to the desktop, go to your newly extracted folder or unzip folder, double click on it and here we find four or five files. Select any file that you want, select any file. All files contain same network. Select any file, click on open, click on OK. Here we find HP LaserJet Pro M404 to M405. It's contain mini printer, include our printer name HP LaserJet Pro M404n. It is also included in these two drivers. Select any drivers and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give 404 M404 HP LaserJet Pro M404n. You can give any name that you like. I give this name M404n and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for few seconds. After installation is complete, if you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option, and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finished. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name HP LaserJet Pro M404n, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.